In this video, I will show you how to add products to Shopify from AliExpress. But before we start, hurry up and check out our latest offer just under this video. So let's get started. So how do you actually add products to Shopify from AliExpress? Well, this one is kind of tricky because we'll be using a third-party tool for us to add products. So in this case, we'll be using Deezers. So what we need to do first is we need to install the Deezers application into our account. In this case, at the lower left here, you should see the app section. Go ahead and click on it, and the search should now have the tag that says apps. Now from here, just type in the search, and from here, just press on enter. Now from here, it's going to load up the Shopify store, and you should be able to see Deezers here, AliExpress drop shipping. So in this case, go ahead and open it up, and from here, we want to install this into our shop. Now, once we click on install here, it's going to load up another page wherein it's going to ask further permissions to access our shop or to basically install it into our shop. So go ahead and click on install app. And once you've done that, just wait for it to load up properly. And once it loads up, you can now start using as well. Now, another requirement for us to basically get or connect our Shopify account into Deezers is to first make sure that we have a Aliexpress account as well as a Deezers account. Now in this case, since we install Deezers, it's going to say either register yourself or create an account for you. So let's go ahead and click on create account for you. And from here, it's going to load up the next page wherein we need to sign up. Now currently, they have a different plans that you could use for Deezers. So they have Enterprise, Pro, and Advanced, but they also have the Basic, which is actually for free, which is forever free. So in this case, let's go and click on get started here. But if you want to use the paid services here, you could go ahead and do that as well, since they offer actually free trials for those specific plans. In this case, going to say link to suppliers. So select an option below to connect your suppliers. So go ahead and click on Aliexpress here. And from here, it's going to say sign in and authorize permission. So in this case, going to load up again and wait for it to load up. And as you can see, we were able to successfully create our Deezers account. Now in this case, you could go ahead and read all through those information. But for now, let's go ahead and go to the next step that we need to basically do. Next thing I want to do here is we want to go ahead and install the Deezers extension or Chrome extension. So you have to have Google Chrome for this one. So in this case, let's go ahead and close this one. Click on extension at the top right. From here, we want to click on manage extension. Now from here, we want to go to Chrome Web Store at the top left of our screen here. And from here, let's just search for Deezers. Press on enter. And from here, you should search for Deezers here. But if you don't see it, you could go ahead and here. This is Deezers. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, click on add to Chrome. And from here, click on add extension. And from here, wait for it to be installed into your PC. Now, in here at the top right of your screen, click on the extension icon again and pin Deezers into your extension or in the toolbar here. So go ahead and click on Deezers here. It's going to say, please log into Deezers and try again. So go ahead and click on Deezers. Now, once you've logged in, it's going to say, please go to Aliexpress to import products. So your import products will go to import this on Deezers. So this case, next thing we want to do is we want to go to Aliexpress and we want to go ahead and search for the products that we want to import. In this case, we need to search for a product. So let's go and search for it. Now, once you found your product and you're in the product page, you'll see a button here that says add to Deezers. So go ahead and click on add to Deezers. It's going to say importing. So let's just wait for it. And once it's imported, let's go ahead and go back to Deezers and load it up again. Now, once we go back into Deezers and click on the import list here, you have the option to basically click on the push to store option. Now, if you want to edit your product first, you could go ahead and click on the edit products here. And from here, you'll be able to change some information about this one. Like for example, the collection or the organization or your store that is actually connected here. From here, you also have the variant, description, images, and shipping information. Now in this case, you could go ahead and set up those information. But if you want to go ahead and proceed on pushing this into your store, just click on push to store. And from here, you could go ahead and add your preferences if you want to as well. So for now, let's just hit on push to stores. Now going back into our Shopify store, when we go to products, you should be able to see your current product right now. So currently it's going to say the current inventory, the variants for it, the sales channel, markets, category, and vendor. In this case, you could go ahead and click on it and edit any of the information that you need here, like for example, description and a lot more. So yeah, so that's how you add products to Shopify from Aliexpress. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.